Very exciting. We have a brand new, amazing system from Puget Systems here, and I thought you guys would like to enjoy this ASMR action. It's a beauty. So huge thanks to one of our sponsors for ResolveCon, Puget Systems, who sent us this lovely computer to present with. And what does it have inside? I don't know, not much. Just, you know, just two RTX 3090 Ti's, you know, Threadripper, and like a roughly, I think that's 1 jillion gigabytes of RAM. So this thing could power a city. And so thanks, guys. This is cool. And I'm sad we have to send it back, but I'm very excited to. This is just beautiful. Can I live in here? I'm gonna live in there. This is my house now.